Nickelodeon.
Now it's time for part of the show where we think about what we've done and face the consequences.
Yes, it is. In a few minutes, one or two of us could be getting sticky and messy. It is...
The Kid Crew Strikes Back!
Yes, all morning the Kid Crew have been held in custody by the dastardly janitor Joe.
I'll love the custard.
I feel like a capital.
Now one of us is going to be voted in there with him, and I don't fancy my chance much because I asked them how to spell my... They were asking how to spell my name earlier.
E-D.
Yes. Or B-E-T-H. That's another way of spelling it.
Yeah,
so,
B-E-T-H.
Kid Crew,
It's B-E-T-H.
please make your decision now.
I don't
Remember,
think...
E-D
Now, boys,
or
it's an
B-E-T-H.
opportunity to get a girl in there.
Yes.
And it doesn't happen enough.
Oh, it didn't happen
Yes.
more than you.
Yes, I have to concur
You
with
head.
Ed. We want a smelly girl in
She's
there.
hardly been in there, has she?
She hasn't. She hasn't.
Excuse me, we've got scores on the doors. We know exactly how many of us have had. Right. Noddy.
Oh!
Oh, Avni.
Beth.
Oh! Shock! Oh!
So good to be me, isn't
What's
it?
the laugh?
Ed.
Oh! In your mind. In you go. Oh. A shock result there, guys. And you get no mucking about. You know what I mean, Joe to Joe? Let that custard flow! I love the custard. Oh, look at him go. We'll see you after the break.
Oh, welcome back to Crunch on Nickelodeon.
Yes, now, this morning has given 4 lucky kids the chance to get covered in yucky mess.
And that's not changing. No, no, no. Only difference is one of us or two of us may be sharing their fate in...
The Kid Crew Strikes Back!
Kid Crew, it's time for you to decide which one or two of us will share your fate and ending the show by Janitor Joe's custard throwing antics. They are antics, aren't they?
All right, Kid Crew, make your decision now. Who's going in there with you?
Remember who got you porridged in rhyme and punishment?
Oh, Beth, you were the judge.
It
You covered in
wasn't me.
porridge.
Who's already covered in porridge and couldn't care less if he goes in?
And Navid, who forgot your name? Beth, that's who.
Yeah, who forgot your name?
Yeah.
Anyway,
Like who's been calling Sophie all day when her real name's Sophia? Huh?
you again. Right,
Thanks
let's find out
very much.
which way they voted.
I'm sorry, Beth, but Ed.
A little cheeky one there. That was very good of him. Okay, Navid.
So sorry about this, Ed.
No need to be sorry, Navid. Really, there isn't. Noah?
Ugly man.
They're being really cheeky today. I love it.
Sophie,
Sophia.
Say ugly Mark.
Ugly man.
Yeah! Boys are back. Oh, go on, boys.
Welcome on to Crunch on Nickelodeon.
On Nickelodeon.
Oh, is that where we are?
Yeah!
It's not part of the show we try and avoid getting covered in custard.
It's so good to be me today. It's time for...
The Kid Crew Strikes Back!
Now the kids are about to get covered in custard, and they can get their revenge on one, or maybe two of us, with the help of our custard nemesis, Janitor Joe.
You know, apparently, someone told me, apparently, he loves the custard.
Just a rumour, though.
Yeah, but I don't, so don't vote for me.
Look,
Does really.
look, I bet he's already written my name, Adam,
Adam, I'd just like to, in advance, to show you my name. Thank you very much. Yeah. Right, that's one down.
Just 3 more.
Should we find out the other 3 voted?
I think so. Beth?
Yeah. Lady, Rebecca, who have you voted for?
Oh, go Joe Red, look. Oh, read it some week.
Alicia, who have you voted for?
Oh, she's definitely going in.
Adam, you're going down, baby.
You're going down. Oh, come on, then you get. Oh. Revenge is custard served cold, isn't it?
Joe, let the custard flow!
He's improved. We'll see you after the break.
Ow, look.